A secured credit card is a type of credit card designed to help someone build or rebuild credit. It works differently than a traditional unsecured credit card. With a secured credit card, you provide a deposit up front. That deposit acts as collateral for the credit line. In many cases, the deposit equals the credit limit. For example, if you put down $500, your credit limit is $500. Some card issuers offer a variation where only part of the credit line is secured. For example, you might deposit $250 and receive a $500 credit limit. Half is secured and half is unsecured. The key point is that the deposit reduces risk for the lender while giving you access to credit. So, who needs a secured credit card? A secured credit card is often helpful for someone who is newly 18 years old and has no credit history yet. There is nothing wrong with that. Credit history has to start somewhere. It is also helpful for someone who recently moved to the United States and does not yet have an American credit profile. Even if you were financially responsible elsewhere, the system here starts fresh. A secured credit card can also be useful for someone who had good credit in the past but went through a major life change. For example, a divorce, a medical situation, or a period of unemployment that impacted payments. In these cases, the issue is not capability, it is history. A secured credit card helps rebuild that history. Once you have the card, the goal is simple. Use it lightly and pay it off consistently. If your credit limit is $500, use it for everyday expenses you already pay. For example, your phone bill or gas. Then pay the balance in full each month. You are not trying to carry a balance. You are showing a pattern of responsible use. Ideally, you keep the secured credit card for at least 6 months and up to 12 months. During that time, focus on 3 things: using the card regularly, keeping the balance low, paying on time every month. After 6 to 12 months, contact the credit card issuer. Ask if your account can be reviewed for an upgrade to an unsecured credit card. If approved, your deposit is usually returned to you and your credit line becomes unsecured. This is how a secured credit card becomes a stepping stone, not a permanent solution. A secured credit card is not a failure. It is a tool. When used intentionally, it helps build trust with the credit system over time. Clarity comes first. Then progress follows. If you find content like this helpful, please like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly explanations around budgeting, credit, and money clarity. This video is for educational purposes only. I am sharing my personal experience and what has worked for me. I am not a financial advisor, and this content should not be considered financial advice.